You walk into a room, and nothing happens. No eyes turn, no double takes, no energy shift. You blend in like background noise, invisible. Here's the brutal truth. Women don't notice you not because they're shallow, but because your presentation screams average. In this video, I'm breaking down the 6 hidden reasons women overlook you, and how to fix every single one of them starting today. No fluff, no gimmicks, just real Looksmaxxing principles that change your face, your presence, and your status, fast. Number 1. Your face has zero definition. Your jawline is buried under softness. Your cheeks look puffy, and your face has no structure. That kills your masculine signal, the one that triggers instant attraction. Every blurry angle screams low testosterone, low status. Fix. Drop water retention and body fat first. Start chewing hard gum twice a day to activate your masseter muscles. It's the simplest way to sharpen your face fast. And yes, I've linked the exact gum I use in the description. Cue a quick before and after visual here. 1 month of consistency changes everything. Number 2. Your posture screams weak energy. You could have a decent face, but if your posture folds inward, you instantly look insecure. Rounded shoulders as beta energy. It literally compresses your rib cage, reduces oxygen intake, and kills your testosterone-driven presence. Fix. Start wall slides and chin tucks daily. Straight posture plus open chest gives you a hunter stance. Forget about expensive gadgets. Posture is muscle memory, not equipment. When you stand tall, women feel it before they even see it. Number 3. Your eyes look tired and lifeless, dark circles. Puffy eyelids, no spark. It tells the world you're stressed, under-recovered, and low value. Women subconsciously read that as, this guy doesn't have his life together. Fix. Sleep optimization, plus hydration. Start with cold compresses and magnesium glycinate before bed. Avoid those useless eye creams. They don't fix fatigue. They just mask it. You'll notice it instantly. More whites in your eyes, stronger gaze, and actual energy behind your stare. That's primal attraction. Number 4. You don't understand facial angles. You might have potential, but your grooming, hair, or camera angles sabotage you. Flat, downward selfies or haircut shapes that widen your face kill your GODFACE progress. Fix. Identify your facial structure, oval, square, or heart, and match your haircut and beard line accordingly. If you're unsure, check the mirror from 45 degrees lighting. That's your true facial geometry. Women notice symmetry and shadow definition, not filters. You can literally go from invisible to magnetic just by fixing your frame. Number 5. You radiate low value. Habits. Your skin is dull, nails messy, lips dry. These are micro-signals of self-neglect. No woman consciously says it, but subconsciously they read it as unkept, sparse, unreliable. Fix. Groom with intent. Use a basic skincare routine. Cleanser, moisturizer, SPF. No need for luxury brands. I've linked a minimal 3-step grooming kit in the description that actually works. Also, stop using 10 different colognes. One signature scent that fits your aura beats any rotation. Number 6. You've given up the mindset of improvement. Here's the truth no one wants to hear. Looksmaxxing isn't about vanity. It's about self-respect. Every improvement, from posture to jawline, is a vote for your future self. Women don't follow perfection. They follow momentum. When you look like a man on a mission, chasing potential, not validation, they feel it instantly. That's the energy of a high-value man. So if women don't notice you right now, good. That means you have work to do, and the blueprint is right here. Fix your face. Build your presence. Upgrade your habits. You're not invisible. You're unfinished. If this hit you, subscribe for more no-fluff Looksmaxxing breakdowns. And check the links in the description for the tools and routines I personally recommend. Because the next time you walk in a room, everyone will notice.